Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will unbox review special Android 8.0 operating system from Peugeot 308. Yeah, it's 27 to 2010. Okay, let me unbox review. Let me open the package. We have come with harness. You can check head units with good condition. Okay, let me introduce the harness set first. This is special harness for Peugeot. You can check. This is a Peugeot power cable. Okay, the special harness come with canvas box. Okay, it supports steering wheel control. Come with remote controller, GPS antenna, and this is factory USB. Okay, camera input, two USB cable, and the external microphone. This connect back of head unit, external microphone, and this radio antenna. Front mini USB, the audio combo. This is subwoofer. Okay, RCA tab, and video out 1 and video out 2, video out 2 and video out 1. Okay, and the audio combo, rear and front, left and right. So this combo AUX left and right. AUX inputs left and right, and video input. Okay. Let me take out the plastic. Okay, this is head unit. You can check the side. Okay, and this side. Okay, you need to remove these two screws before installing. Okay, you can check this power cable or power connector, fuse, GPS antenna, Wi-Fi antenna connectors, and this radio post. Okay, you can check front. This mini USB. Let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, head unit will be start, button will be light will be on. Okay, you can check this reset hole, microphone, DVD slot, IR, front USB, SD card slot, GPS slot. Okay, please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, you can check very fast response. You can install wallpaper. Okay, already installed. Very fast response. Let me check the setting. System. You can check model is PX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Use back button. Okay. You can change this button color with gray, blue, orange, yellow. Also can change any adjust the button color. Okay, that's all. Thank you.